How to make a group chat on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Then, click on Inbox at the bottom. In Inbox, you will find a plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it. After you click on top left corner of your screen, you will find this kind of screen. In here, select the people you want to add in your group chat and then press on Create at the bottom. After you've pressed on Create at the bottom, your group chat will be created. And this is how to make a group chat on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.